In today's video, I'll show you how to get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. First, open System Settings on your Nintendo Switch. Scroll down and select Internet, then choose Internet Settings. Next, select your connected Wi-Fi network and choose Change Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see DNS Settings. Select it and change the setting from Automatic to Manual. Now open Primary DNS and enter the exact DNS number shown on the screen. Make sure you type it correctly, or the method may not work. Once you've entered the DNS, select Save. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. During the connection process, you may see an error message. That's completely normal. Instead of taking you to the usual connection screen, it should open a web browser. Once the browser opens, go to Google and search for Roblox. Open the official Roblox website, sign into your account, and you'll be able to access Roblox through the browser. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.